Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the cover of your Trello board. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Trello board and you want to go ahead and customize it just a little bit, just by changing the cover image of the Trello board. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log onto a Trello board. Next, click on the three dots, and then go ahead and click on Change Background. Now, what this is going to do is that it's going to allow you to actually upload your own background, choose a default color, or choose some stock photos from Unsplash. But go ahead and select the background which you want for your Trello board, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the background of your Trello board. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.